Okay. So the topic which we are going to start is triggers.
Mm-hmm.
So first we have to understand what is trigger. See, trigger is a custom logic which helps. Okay. So are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So and I will share you this thing on email.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the your trigger is a custom logic which helps you to perform some action or restrict the action to be performed. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
two types of trigger. Before and after.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then we have DML statements. Okay, now
Mm-hmm.
this is clear. This part is clear.
Yeah.
Okay, now if somebody will ask you what is the before trigger, so you will say in before trigger the value or record gets updated or validated before it is saved into the system.
Okay.
Okay, after trigger in after trigger the trigger will fetch the value save trigger will fetch the system field values and will perform action on other records.
You're not writing.
Yeah, I'm writing. I'm writing. Are you able to see my screen? Hello? 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 Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay. So this part is clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now we will discuss about the events. And events are
So is trigger old and trigger new events?
trigger. Trigger is the
No, trigger old and trigger new. Trigger.old and
okay,
trigger.new.
okay. those are context variable, and I'm just coming to that topic after this thing. So and that's why I'm today's session is a completely theoretical session, because we have to understand the context variable, we have to understand the best practices, and then only we will be able to start writing our code.
Can we have like a trigger as an example? We write one.
I will show you. I will show you. I have I have written a lot many triggers. So I will show you. But for let's go with the one by one the things. So now the events. So we have the when our trigger and the event statement. Yeah. So events we have is before insert, before update, before delete, after insert, after update, after delete, after undelete. These are the events. Okay, clear? Now syntax. So syntax is you have to write trigger, then name of trigger. You have to give the name on, then S object. You have to give the S object name here, then event, okay, and your logic, your code. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay, now we have the context variables. The question which you actually asked, that new and old. So this will be coming in the context variable. So we have the context variable, which is keywords actually. So the first one is executing. So this will returns true if current context of Epic's code is trigger. Okay. Right.
What does this mean?
Okay, let me show you. Let's say you have written a class which have a method, and that method you want to only and only execute when called by a trigger. So you will put a check condition. Let me show you a trigger.
I will not. Yeah, it's better if you just like create a trigger and show me. I don't understand theory. Yeah.
Yeah, just a minute. Let me show you the trigger, which I have already written. And
can we create one and like can I show my screen and start creating one? This will be easy when you explain it to me.
Okay, then share a screen and let's start with one basic trigger.
No, actually it's there. Okay.
I'm not able to see your screen.
Okay, I click share. Okay.
Okay, so the one of the best practice of the writing a trigger is always use the field API from the object. Do not
Yeah.
write it, always copy it and paste it. Okay, so our logic is like, let's say, okay, can you go on the record of account? Okay, so just a minute. Okay, so our logic, I mean, our purpose of writing the trigger here will be, let's say, wait. Let's say our industry, and what are the options available on the industry? Okay, so we'll take agriculture. Okay, so let's say our account industry is agriculture, then we will put 100 on facts field or inside the facts field.
Where we will put 100?
Facts.
Okay, facts field. Okay.
Okay, so let's write down. So this is the syntax is ready. Now you have given the name, the account, the object, and the event as well. Now I will explain you why I'm using the all these things. Let me take the control. Today I will be writing, but from the next time I will be just telling you, and you will be writing it.
Can we do one before insert, and then we can go into the update one just one by one?
Okay, that's also fine. Actually, I just want to show you the just a one trigger. Okay, but no problem. So write down here. Come down at the line. Okay. Just a minute. Give me the control. If trigger dot is executing trigger dot is before and trigger dot is insert. Okay, now I will explain you all these context variables, but as you have requested to write one trigger, so I'm writing the trigger here. Now
can we have one basic trigger?
Yeah,
this is so complicated.
This is very basic. See, since you have the asked me to show you one trigger, that's why I'm saying I will be first explaining you the context variable, and then only I will be going to the start writing our triggers. Okay, so this is a very basic trigger, and I will explain you each and every line. Once you will be able to understand the context variable, most of the thing in this trigger you will be able to write it down or understand of your own.
Okay.
if AC dot, now go to the Salesforce record.
Okay.
Yes, and copy the API industry. Yes, put it here. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Now, take the value of the pick list.
I'm gonna, which value? Any value?
Yeah, any
I'm gonna
value.
put energy.
Energy. Okay. Okay. So let's see our brackets. Now create one record uh, in the account.
Okay.
A new record. New record. New record. And the industry should be energy.
Okay.
And you are getting the 100 in the facts. Facts. 100.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
So now understand the context variable. And this is the one I have shown you. But now we have to understand the context variable to understand the trigger so that you can write your trigger of your own. Okay? So stop sharing your screen and let me share my screen.
But I didn't understand, what does this line mean?
I will tell you.
Yeah.
First, allow me to explain you the context variable. I have used one is executing in the trigger.
Yeah.
So basically, what is executing is doing? Is executing is just okay. Are you comfortable with if else?
No.
Okay. Okay. So first, I will tell you the if else. See, let's say, what is the date today?
16 and 19.
19. Okay. So I'm saying that if the date is 19 of June 2020, okay, then Angel will go out. Okay. See, take it as a as an example where you decided that okay, if this is the situation, then I will be doing this. If this is the situation, then I will be doing different tasks, right? So if is the same thing. If let's say you have some plan to go out, so if the date will be the 19th, if the date will come and it will be the date of 19 June, then you will be going out, or let's say you will be eating cake today.
Can you Can you copy them in Microsoft Word and do highlights for me?
Sure.
It would be better for me to have them in Microsoft Word. So when we have now the if else, can you do the if else in a separate section and just do it in bold if else?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, just let's save it just to make sure you don't lose it. Yeah, if else, yeah, great.
So this is for just for your understanding, okay? Now you will be helping me with the if else statement, okay? What is the day today?
19.
No, day.
Day, it's Thursday.
Thursday.
Yeah.
So if day equal,
Yeah.
can I make it bold?
Yeah, I wanted to make it bold.
Okay.
Can you save it just to make sure we don't lose it?
I will.
Yeah.
Don't worry. I will save it.
You save it? Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Just a minute. I will save it. Don't worry.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
So if day is Thursday,
So what's the difference between if else and nested if?
I will tell you one by one. I will tell you. Angel will be studying trigger one thing, one statement, one task, right? Second one, Angel will be revising concept. Okay. The second task, second line of code of yours. If the day is Thursday. Okay. This is the syntax of the if. What exactly the if performs, or what exactly the if is helping us to be done if the condition is satisfied. Condition which is which is mentioned here in this. Just a minute. In this statement, can you release your control, please?
How do I do it? I just clicked it 1 second.
Okay. So the condition which is mentioned here, yes. So condition which is mentioned here, if it is satisfied, then your line of code or your the piece of code will execute. Let's say if I'm saying if the today day is not Thursday, so I will be using else in continuation with if. Okay, so I'm taking the scenario. Let's say if day is not Thursday today, so I will be just going with the else statement, and I'm not saying that I'm not giving any particular day name. I'm saying that if the day will not be Thursday, then I will not be studying and will be attending.
So what do we call this if else in Salesforce? What is it like? What kind of this one? It's
What kind of?
like, what is it like? Where do we use it?
Yep. I mean the particular name.
No, the logic of if else. Where do we use it?
Where we can use it.
Mm.
Okay. So you have seen that. Okay. Go to the just go to the trigger which I have just written. And
Okay,
there,
I am there.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Let me stop sharing my screen. Okay, share your screen.
Okay.
Forget about everything. Forget about everything. Just look at the line number 7.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what I'm saying is, if my account industry is in energy, then my account facts will be 100. That means if I am creating a record, okay, and I have selected the industry as energy, okay, then
Okay.
only the 100 should be stored in a facts. Otherwise, no value should be there in the facts. Try creating one more record, and the industry should be different from the energy.
Okay. So can you have multiple ifs have being together in the same trigger?
Multiple?
If statements?
Yes, we can, and that is what I was going to tell you. I
So
just
is so what, like, I'm confused. I'm just confused about, like, go ahead.
no. Okay. See, don't worry. Uh, your all the concepts will be clear, so don't worry about it. Uh, Now I understood your problem. Go to the account, create one more record with different industry, but not energy. So facts here is blank because your logic which you have written is not satisfied. That means the statement inside the if, where you are mentioning if the industry is energy, that has not been satisfied. So that's the reason the you are not able to see 100 in the facts.
Okay, I got it. I have a question.
Yeah.
When you put this line here and you had, okay, when you have this line here, why did you write account AC?
Angel, one by one. That's why I was telling you the context variable, and that's
Yeah.
then after that all these concepts. But since you requested me on the trigger, so
Yeah,
that
can we create like a very, very simple trigger, and then we can check it from there?
this is very simple.
Yeah.
This is the very basic. But see, don't worry. Just give me some time, okay? And allow me to teach in my pattern. Then you will be able to understand.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now stop sharing the screen.
Yep, I stop.
Okay. So this is your first example. Okay, where you are using the if and the else. Okay. Now second, I'm using again this statement. Okay. And now here, I'm saying that if the day is Friday,
Mm-hmm.
see, if day is Thursday, I'm going to do this thing. Angel will be studying trigger. Angel will be revising concept. Else, if day is Friday, I will be doing nothing. Will spend time with family. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, any doubt in the if else till here? Because I'm going to tell you.
Where do we usually use if else other than triggers?
See how you will be, defining the condition. Let's say, okay. Let's say, uh, if somebody is ringing the doorbell, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So the first thing is, if somebody is ringing the doorbell, then you have to go to the door to see who is standing outside.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, if somebody is ringing the doorbell and he's a stranger, so you won't be you will not open the door, right? So
Yes.
just in the same way, we decide that what we need to do on this particular condition, or what we need to do when when the condition is satisfied or not. So if else is a decision making statement, right?
Okay.
Where you write your own code, own logic, and you decide whether my condition is matching or not. Okay, let's tell me. For example, you are going to bank. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, tell me, you are going to your bank. Okay, and in the
Okay.
bank you have requested the bank employee to transfer the money to
Mm-hmm.
someone else account. Okay, your
Mm-hmm.
money to someone else account. So employee will ask you, provide me the details. Okay,
Okay.
now what employee will be doing, employee will be validating the details. Employee will be, the employee will be validating the details, and the employee will be, you know uh, let's say it is my detail, so it's a Prashant's detail. So employee will be validating the detail, and if the something is not matching, so employee will be uh, saying that, madam, the account detail is wrong, we cannot transfer the amount. So this
Mm-hmm.
will be like, if details is correct. Here I will write. Okay, you write down. Now then you will understand.
No, it's fine. I'm listening. I just wanna yeah, check. So if you open your developer console and show like a basic trigger and you put if else, can you write a big if else, or usually you cannot just go scroll big time?
I'm sorry, your question.
My question is yeah, go back to your notes. Uh, in your notes. Yep. Okay.
Hmm?
When you add if else, does it need to be like in a certain condition where you have before trigger or after trigger, or it doesn't matter?
No. See, Angel, forget about the before or after.
Yeah.
First, understand the if else. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
See, don't mix the things. Otherwise, this will be confusion for you. Now,
Mm-hmm.
do a favor on me, and I'm write one if else statement here. Write down. Take a control.
I'm focusing with you while you're writing. You can write. It doesn't. Yeah.
No. You have to write. You have to write.
Okay. I didn't understand it. That's why I'm not able to write it.
That is why I'm telling you. You write, and I will make you understand.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So 1 second. All right.
Take
How
the
do I
control.
take control again? I forgot how did I do it. 1 second. Yeah, from here. All right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. So, okay, which food you like most?
Fish.
Okay. So now, right. If yeah,
Mm-hmm. I'm not able to write.
double click on it. Yeah. Okay. Now, give a bracket. If bracket food
Mm-hmm.
is fish. So if you will be eating the, if you are seeing the food fish, then what comes in your mind? What you are actually, want to do?
What do you mean?
I mean,
I wanna cook it.
you want
Cook it.
cook it. Okay. So close this bracket. Okay. Now give the curly braces.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And in the next line, give enter, and next line, write down, I want to cook it. Okay.
Okay.
And the statement terminator.
Which statement terminator?
Just you can see that Angel will be studying trigger. Then after that, I have given the comma. That is the statement terminator.
Okay. Which one? I'm
No,
sorry, I don't know what happened.
no problem. No problem. No problem. No problem. And
Which
the
is
just a minute. Let me put it.
yeah.
Okay. This is
Okay. So what is it called?
yeah, a statement terminator.
Okay.
Okay, that means one task is complete of yours. Now close the curly braces.
Close it. Okay. All right. I closed it. It's hard to control. Okay. Yeah. I closed it.
Okay, now which food you dislike most? I mean, you never want
Eggs.
to have.
Anything with egg.
I'm sorry.
Eggs.
X. Okay, so write else.
Right. Else. Okay. Control. Else.
If
No. I'm not good in this control. Okay. Else if. Yeah.
yeah, give bracket. Bracket, not curly braces. Bracket. Food is egg.
Okay.
Food is egg.
Okay.
Okay. Now close this bracket.
Okay.
Curly braces.
Curly braces.
Yeah. And next line. What it let's say if I offer you egg, then what is the what you will be doing? What is coming in your mind?
Vomiting.
I'm sorry.
Throwing up.
Okay, so write it down here.
Okay.
Okay. Now statement terminator. Anything else is coming in your mind?
No.
Okay, let's add.
Let's what?
Let's add one statement. Give a enter and come to the next line.
Mm-hmm.
And write down here. I will cook fish. Or wait. I will order fish.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now give the line terminator after throwing up and the line terminator after I will order fish.
1 second. Okay.
Close the curly braces. Okay. Now this part which you have written,
Mm-hmm.
is this clear? What exactly the if or else in a practical life do? Forget about the coding. I'm not talking about the coding.
Yeah, it's clear.
Clear? Okay. And that's why
Mm-hmm.
actually I was saying to write it down. Okay. Now the third option. Okay. Which food you like? I mean, you don't like much, but you can have it. Which food?
Cheese.
Cheese. Okay. So for such conditions, you know, let's say this is the third condition I'm telling you.
Mm-hmm.
So write it down once again. Else if
Write it down.
yeah
It's
after this else if
mm-hmm. What do I write?
else if food is cheese. No, you forget about the brackets. After if give bracket,
Okay.
close the bracket, curly braces,
Mm-hmm.
curly braces.
Okay.
Okay. Now the next line. What you will be doing when you have cheese? What is coming in your mind?
Nice food.
Yeah, write it down. Uh, no, wait. You forgot about syntax. After the curly braces, give a the enter. Write down in the next line. Nice food. After curly braces. After curly braces.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay. Now after food, nice food. After nice food, line terminator. Okay. So now you understood the purpose of using if else.
Yep.
Okay. Now today I will be giving you the some assignment of the if else, and you have to work on it. Okay.
So is this like is this a nested if?
Yes.
Can you make sure you save it? You're going to send me this, right?
Yeah, I will send you. I will send you. Don't worry.
Did it save?
Yeah, just save the first one.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
now
Okay.
I will be giving you some assignment. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Nested means what? See this. If, then else if, then else if. This is nested one. Okay. Don't worry. Today, the assignments, when I will be giving you the assignment, all the concept of the if else will be clear.
So is this what we created now is nested if?
Nested if else, yes.
So what does nested if else mean?
This is your if loop, then else if you are using, then again the else if you are using.
Okay. Mm-hmm. All right, it's clear.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now one more thing. Okay. Don't worry about it. I will be giving you some examples of the nested one, of the simple if else terminator, if else condition statement. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, okay. Since we are talking about the food, okay, in this whole uh, if else statements, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if I write here, now see, if
Yeah.
Angel's food choice, I have spoken about your food choice, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right? I
Yeah.
have spoken about the food choice in all this line,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I put a condition on the top, if Angel's food choice, then and I'm putting the if else inside this if. This is nested if. Okay.
Okay.
Let's say if I add here else if, and same way, if you start giving your if, which car you like most?
I don't know the model cars. Up to you. I don't know.
Oh, anything. Mercedes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mercedes.
so
Good.
write it down here. See, now I'm talking about your car choice. Okay, else if
Mm-hmm.
and just car choice. So first give if here, right? If
If. Yeah.
car is Mercedes,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I'm not able to see. Uh, have you written
Yeah. Oh, it's not writing here. Yeah. What do I what do I say? All right. Type.
if? Then the same give bracket. Car is
If car.
car is give bracket.
Mm-hmm.
Mercedes,
Mm-hmm.
close the bracket, curly braces.
Mm-hmm.
I will drive. statement of yes. Now give else. No, in the yes. If right if. No. Say together else if together. You forgot about s. Is s else if, yeah. Now between the else and if, give a space.
By the way, my mouse stopped working.
Oh, okay, no problem.
It's not you, it's me. It's my wireless, my mouse, no more battery.
No problem. So let's say if car is, I'm writing for on your behalf, okay? If
Okay.
car is BMW, okay, I will give it to Prashant. Okay. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Now the last thing. Else means neither the car is Mercedes nor BMW. Okay. So what is the last option? I mean the car is neither Mercedes nor BMW. So your last option is I will sell it. Now just have a look to this thing. Now I started talking about your car choice. If the car is Mercedes, I will drive. Okay. Else if car is BMW, I will gift it to Prashant. Else I will sell it. Right? Clear?
Yep.
Okay. Now I'm stopping you have to share the screen.